You all have wished to draw the standing portrait illustration like this. In order to draw the portrait, all we need to do is understand the proportion of the face, divide the face for placing the eyeline, base of the skull, edge of the cheekbone, locating the eyes, and sketching the remaining part. But being a beginner, you may find difficult. To increase your confidence on drawing and to create a stunning portrait, here I have a solution. Trace the image. I have used iPad and Procreate. You can use any of your quality image or you can use any of the stock photos. Here I am using unsplash.com where you can find all type of images here which is copyright free images. In this I am choosing one of the girl image and I am downloading it. Coming to the Procreate, I am going to insert the photo which we have downloaded. And I'm keeping this photo as the reference image in order to understand the detail of that image clearly. And now in the layer, I'm reducing the opacity till I need. I'm creating a new layer and renaming that layer name as Sketch. So now let's start to do our work. In the sketch layer, I'm going to trace it out. Now let's start from the eyebrow part. At first, I'm making the shape of this eyebrow, as this hat is hiding the eyebrows. If you wish, you can leave it as like this, or you can make the entire shape of this eyebrows, just for your understandability. Now I'm doing the partition here. The same for the another eyebrow. And inside this guideline, I'm drawing the eyebrows. As in the reference image, there is a highlight here. So I'm marking the highlight. Let me hide the original image to check the sketch. Let me do the second eye. On hiding this original image, we can check the sketch. It looks so good. Now I'm going to draw the nose. Just follow up as like in the original image. Now I'm going to draw the lips. You don't need to get frustrated if you can't able to draw the features of the face clearly. Here we get the solution so that you can make a beautiful portrait for your loved one and also of your own. Now let me complete the face. Let me hide the original image to check the sketch. It looks great. This girl has a hat. So now I'm going to draw the hat. As this hat is overlapping the eyebrows, so let me draw as like that. We have finished up the hat, and now let's jump to the hat part. The hat part is completed. Now I'm going to the outfit of this girl. So at last we have completed the sketch which is necessary. Now I'm creating another layer and I'm renaming this layer as line art. Coming to the sketch, I'm lowering its opacity. Let's start from the hat. As this hat is overlapping the eyebrows, so I'm doing as like that. As this eyebrows is under the hat, so draw it accordingly. Now I'm going to draw the outfit of this girl. This is super easy to draw because we have made a sketch. We have completed the hat, eyes, nose, face, and also the outfit. Now I'm going to draw the hat. You can check it out my course on digital illustration, attractive portrait drawing from photo in Procreate if you wish to learn more. As I have explained a lot about drawing the house and how to keep your pencil, on how to do the strokes, curves, and many more. If you wish, you can check the description. So we have completed the line art. Now I'm hiding the sketch. So it looks so great. We have did the line art as in our image. In this portrait drawing, I like this background. So I'm going to recreate this background. So in the layer 1, let me increase the opacity in order to understand the features clearly. If you want to do the background something different, or you may want to improvise it better. If you want to change the background, for that you can go to the Pinterest and search for the inspiration, and as by the inspiration you can create the background by your wish. But as of now, I'm going to recreate this background because I like this. Above this layer 1, I'm creating another layer. Let me hide the line art in order to avoid the disturbance. In the new layer, let me trace it out. As in this background, we have a car behind this girl. Keep the reference in order to understand it clearly. Now let's hide the layer 1. Let me hide this new layer. Now I'm going to do the base color to this main portrait. After doing the base color for this portrait, let's work on to the background. Now we have did the base color for this main portrait. We are going to blur the background because in the real image the background isn't blurred. So in the adjustment, I'm choosing the Gaussian blur and I'm adjusting it. We have finished up with the background. Let's finish the eyebrows, eyes and lips. We have finished up with all the base colors. Now we are going to do the shadows which is required for this portrait. At last, we have completed this beautiful portrait illustration from the photo. I have a course about this type of illustration where I have explained detailing with each and every steps. in order to learn completely, you can take up my course, where I have given the link to that course in the description below. Please check it out and take up this course and create a beautiful illustration as like this.